Here's Joanna.
This looks like the How to Train a Dragon Toothless guy. Hi, number 14. Meet Cabby.
Happy birthday to you. Today is Joanna's birthday, and we shall be going out. Now we are in the elevator, going down to the first floor. It's a very sunny day. It is so hot with the sun beating down on us.
So we're at the train station, and guess what happened? Benjamin forgot his IC card. Now he has to purchase a ticket every time. And on top of that, you have to check for the route so you know exactly how much it costs. Oh, here we go. This way, I think. I went the wrong way. As expected. Let's little happy now. Woo! Say hi, Benjamin. Hi, Benjamin.
Oh wait, girl.
Oh no, guys, we're back to the station. That only means one thing: we're lost. We're looking for my favorite sushi place in Osaka. You found it!
2 hours later.
We just got out of the sushi restaurant after waiting for 2 hours, and now we're gonna head back to the station, but we're gonna slowly walk there. Since we only had 45 minutes to eat, we like kind of stuffed ourselves really quickly. We ordered so much. Look, there's food. Joanna says she has a headache, but that's nothing water can't solve. She's sick. She drank too much. We have just arrived to Atoll. She started running before I started recording. I see his ass. Huh? View of Kobe, this area. This is the port, leads to the airport. Here's Joanna.
He's throwing up rocks! Bro!
Oh, this is cool. Cool color.
Hello there.
This looks like the How to Train a Dragon Toothless guy.
Oh air.
God!
He needs air. He's reminding me of the quag. The animal.
Quagsire? Poison dark frog.
This enclosure makes it very scary. It's over there.
Do you see it?
To the 3rd floor. We're feeding fish food here. Look, he's here.
At the end, you get to the roof and you see penguins! These are the Madagascar penguins. My God! This is my favorite. These are capybaras. It's bye-bye to the aquarium. Then where are we going now?
We're gonna go back to the station. San Nomiya station.
Woohoo! See you there! Woohoo! Where are we at?
We're on the wrong station.
We got off the wrong station. But look at our bus though. It looks really cool.
Yeah. We're thirsty. So first we're gonna go to the convenience store in the souvenir store. Yeah, souvenir store. Alright, we're gonna go back now. We went, grabbed our 7-Eleven, and we're going back down. The pineapple calpis, lemon tea, and Joanna didn't notice that. But that's a high bowl. She didn't notice it. We're back at Sannomiya. Walking around this time. Our dinner for tonight. Joanna has this ketchup pasta. It's not ketchup, it's not even Napolitan, it's just cream tomato pasta. I can't really explain what it smells like, but it reminds me of McDonald's. So I guess that's good.
That's not a good thing.
It's shrimp and scallop. We just left the restaurant.
And the staff members are so nice.
They held the doors open all the way up until the elevator. We're gonna take this train home later, and the day's not over yet, so we'll stay tuned. We just got our drinks from Coco's. It's on my backpack. And now
meet Cabby. He's the capybara I bought at the Ottawa aquarium. He's so cute. Guess how much he is?
how much?
1,500 yen.
We don't talk about this. Alright, we're leaving Kobe now. Bye bye, Kobe.
Bye-bye.
See? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Joanna.
No, I messed up. Start over. Retake.
1, 2, ready, go. Oh yeah, not bad.
3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Joanna. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay! I gotta clap my thighs. Alright, you gotta make a wish. Take your time. Let's hope it doesn't make the thing go off.
No.
Yay! Now time to cut the cake.
And finish!
And follow
Thank you for
for more.
watching and follow for more.
More.
Yay!